Fine feathers make fine birds. Fine feathers make fine birds. My dear students, teachers, parents, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another motivational quote and a universal too. Fine feathers. We all love birds. We love watching birds in the sky rather than keeping them in the cages. We like the birds when the birds has a beautiful plumage. The colors of the feathers, the freshness of the feathers. If the feathers are dull, ugly, if they are stuck with some kind of dirt, we don't even look at such birds. We enjoy looking at blue jay. We enjoy looking at varieties of macaws. We enjoy looking at parrots. They all look so beautiful. And the beauty of the birds just because of its feathers. Fine feathers. If you try to adopt this into our lives, we all have our feathers, which is an outer appearance, the kind of frills and tassels we have around. Not necessarily expensive, but fine dressing, elegant dressing, enhances the beauty of a person and beauty of that personality. It matters, my dear students, teachers, friends. It matters. Once, the author, children's story writer, Mrs. Sudha Murthy, was denied, and just because of her simple dressing at London airport, denied to get into the best class of flights. Later they realized and they apologized. That's a different story. You can browse. The appearance. Our great inspirational personality, our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, very simple, but he used to make sure that his dressing is always impressive and powerful. He's never richly or expensively dressed, but he dressed in a very elegant way with his suit all the time. It not necessarily you have hundreds and hundreds of best clothing. Make sure that fine clothing gives a fine appearance. Mindfully follow this. Mindfully. As fine feathers make fine birds, the fine outer appearance also matters for our fine living. The beautiful and elegance outward personality definitely is a welcome guest. Definitely an impressive impression you make in the minds of the people who come across in your life. It is important. It's not just our inner beauty. The outer beauty also matters. And the outer beauty doesn't come with the expensive things, but with the finality, fineness of the clothing. Fineness of your ornaments, fineness and neatness of your outer appearance. Neatly pressed clothes, beautifully kempt hair, unkempt hair doesn't make any impression at all. And not pressed clothes, crumpled clothes, no. Unpolished shoes No, they don't make any good impression on the people who come across. Be mindful. It matters. It is very important. Our fineness of our outer appearance, our clothing, our hair, our ornaments, our shoes matters. Think about this great proverb which help us to make ourselves more refined, more elegant, more impressive, more pleasant, presentable when you take care of these simple things which people may think, but they matter when you walk into a college for an interview, when you walk into an office for an interview for your job, when you go onto the stage to present yourself, the present best book what you have written on the stage, when you go onto the stage to present your good work, your appearance matters. Fine feathers make fine birds. Take care. Have a blessed day.